Why is this not working? There it is.
Turn it on.
It's on.
You got it? Is it recording?
Yep.
No problem. Everything's really good. Father, I'm sorry for all sins and transgressions I've committed. And I've committed a lot of them this year. Yeah, that guy says if I go to film tour, that looks weird, but it's just going into the clouds. Last time it happened, did that, and I thought it was blowing up. I'm like, oh, this is going to be great footage, but I don't really want it to blow up.
Oh, that looks cool right there.
Low tide, minus 0.9 feet at 3:36 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. High tide, 3.7 feet at 10:07 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
And now it's clear. Oh, back in.
West swell. Here's the
Just go away.
It just keeps coming in and out.
Yeah. I don't see it. Oh, okay, I see it without my glasses. There it is. This has got to be better than normal. Blue means methane, which means methane that you cut off is coming up right now.
Nico. Okay.
I tried to look at the trajectory, but I didn't have time. I was trying to do too many things at once. Oh, there
we go.
See it?
Yeah, there it is.
Oh, that looks amazing. You see this?
Yeah, it's falling apart.
Holy crap. No, that's just separation.
Yeah, those little things are coming.
Oh, it's so cool. That's worth it. What it is, it's not separation, it's the first stage, you know, this little jets, you know, rockets pushing it back to go to. So that's probably going to go back to I don't know which one to keep on.
I can't pick it up.
I still see that one.
Oh, there we go.
Got it. You see the first stage though?
Yeah, it's up here.
Going back to Vandenberg.
Oh no, I don't see that one.
Okay, all right, never mind. I think it is, so you might see it. No, don't worry about it. Just get what you can. I hate this weather. It's too hot. I was out trying to mess with the lens at like 3. Like, this way isn't January weather.
I know, it's wintertime.
Yeah. Not gonna have any wind. It's just hot. It's all the. Sorry, it's bouncing around, everybody, but
You know what that is?
It's a rocket.
Rocket?
Yeah, from the Space Force base. SpaceX.
So really, where's it going?
Well,
there's
go ahead.
satellites.
Satellites.
It's launching satellites.
Then the other one lands on the over by the shore, by the beach. So you might see it. It'll show up.
Do
Hopefully.
you see it?
I don't see that. No.
Don't see anything?
Nope.
This is the first time I've seen stars.
I'd look this way over here.
It's crazy,
too,
huh?
and you might see it come down.
Did you see it over there?
fast.
Yeah, while it was going.
Yeah,
off,
yeah.
Yeah, we saw it. That was
Yeah, this is
Not yet.
SpaceX launching its Starlink satellites.
Oh, really? Oh, that's really interesting.
It was like 30 little mini satellites. So everybody's gonna have internet connection. It was gonna be free, but some people get free, not us. But like people that are,
Are you getting that, Mike?
crashed in the wilderness.
Mike.
Oh, that? What? Oh shit!
Oh, it's gone.
Oh, dude.
Dude.
In what? An airplane? No. Okay, well, I might be able to get another one if it. Probably not. I knew we were gonna do it now. If we don't have any numbers here, second stage is in the clouds. The first stage just came down here, and I missed it.
Is anything going to land over by the ocean?
It's landing on land at Vandenberg.
Okay, so forget it then.
Landing